Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring Iceland for the very first time and sharing my top tips for beginners along the way. Iceland, the land of fire and ice, a place where stunning natural beauty meets rich cultural heritage. It's no wonder that Iceland has become a dream destination for many. And if you're one of them, considering Iceland for your next adventure, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the top tips and essential information you need to know before visiting Iceland for the first time. When planning a trip to Iceland, many first-time visitors face similar challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is navigating the unpredictable and often harsh weather. From sudden rain showers to strong winds, it's essential to be prepared and flexible when it comes to your itinerary. Another common challenge is understanding local customs and traditions. Icelanders take pride in their heritage, and respecting their cultural norms can make a huge difference in your overall experience. Planning an itinerary can be overwhelming, especially with so many stunning attractions to choose from. How do you prioritize your time? And what are the must-see sites? Lastly, many visitors struggle with understanding the local currency, the Icelandic krona, and how to manage their expenses during the trip. Getting familiar with the local way of life, understanding the importance of respecting nature, and being mindful of your environmental impact are all crucial aspects of traveling in Iceland. When it comes to planning your trip, timing is everything. The best time to visit Iceland largely depends on your preferences. If you want to see the northern lights, September to April is your best bet. However, if you prefer milder weather and longer days, summer might be the way to go. As for must-see attractions, the Golden Circle, comprising Vellir National Park, Geyser, and Gullfoss, is a must. Make sure to add the breathtaking waterfalls, stunning black sand beaches, and picturesque villages to your itinerary as well. When it comes to transportation, consider renting a 4x4 car to navigate Iceland's rugged roads. And for accommodations, look for options that offer a cozy atmosphere and stunning views, like many of the country's unique guest houses. One of the most memorable moments during my trip was watching the sunset over the glaciers. It was a truly humbling experience that reminded me of the incredible power and beauty of nature. What struck me was the utter silence that surrounded us as we stood there, taking in the majesty of the landscape. In Iceland, nature has a way of putting things into perspective, and it's an experience I'll always treasure. If you're planning a trip to Iceland or have already been, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel tips and inspiration, be sure to check out another video on my channel. Thanks for watching.